Right. The Comfort Suites in Dillon. We're going to be looking at this Otis elevator. Watch. Alright. Watch the indicator on the first ride up. And I guess back down too. Kind of rough stop, very sudden. Yep. Very rough riding elevator. Door close works though, you know, I always like that feature at least. It used to have tile floor in it. Otherwise everything else is the same. Got the bottom of your head in my video, and I can hear you chewing whenever you're chewing, by the way. That arrow works, that one does not. And then, yeah, machine room's right there too. So that's kind of neat actually, I like that. Yeah, take a look at this door on this. It has a code violation in it. See right through it. There it is. Okay, let's take a look at this. So, I'm gonna ride this up. Back out of the way again. We're gonna look right there. Past the second floor. Kind of a jolt there. You can see the leveling. Now technically, if we wait for these doors to close, actually I will just shut them. Okay. Should not be able to do that. My finger should not be able to get in there. And yeah, that could be quite a problem. Let's see if I can push these. I can, kind of. But I can also push them open. Same thing here. Shouldn't be able to do that. If I move the elevator again, we're gonna go... Well, first, let's look at the phone here. Somebody put a pencil on it. Dusty non-ADA phone. I think that's a problem. Obviously hasn't been inspected in a long time. So yeah, we'll go back down. And even in this gap, I can still put my fingers through there. I should not be able to do that. Very unfortunately, poorly maintained elevator. And that's it.